friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to week 10 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is bubbles. Let's get started. We're going to start by making our bubble mixture. I'm going to test out a few to see which ones work best. My first mixture takes just half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. I'm using Dawn. For my next mixture, I'm going to use a different kind of soap. This is Miss Meyer's soap. I'm using it because it has a little bit of glycerin in it, and I've read that glycerin can be helpful in making bubble mixtures. I'm still using 2 tablespoons of soap with half a cup of water. For my final mixture, I'm still using half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of dish soap, but this time I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of corn syrup. Once I have all my mixtures measured out, I'm going to let them sit overnight. This is a very important step. Okay, our mixture's been sitting overnight. This one is water and a little bit of dish soap. Let's test it out and see how it works. So this one's working pretty well. If you have a little bit of water and soap at home, you can make this. Okay, this mixture is a little bit different. It's water, dish soap, and a little bit of light corn syrup. I'm gonna see if that improves the quality of the bubble at all. I think that's even better than the first one. Let's try it again. It's pretty good, and they're staying together pretty well. Okay, for our last bubble solution, I used a dish soap that contained a little bit of glycerin. A lot of the recipes I saw called for glycerin because it keeps the bubbles moist a little bit longer, and that helps them to stay together. So let's try this one. It's just water and a little bit of glycerin soap. So this one works pretty well too. They all work. I think if you have any of these ingredients at home, any of these bubble solutions will work well for you. Okay, I like this mixture best. It's the one that uses a little bit of corn syrup. I like those bubbles more than any of the others. So I'm going to test out some homemade bubble wands. That was pretty good. So far I'm making them one at a time. Let's see if we can get a few more. There we go. That works great. My pipe cleaner bubble wand worked really well, but not everything I tried did. Not quite. I have one more pipe cleaner wand to test out. This one is a heart. Let's see how this works. Okay, I've got a little cardboard tube and a little bit of bubble mixture. Let's test this one out. That's pretty good. Look around your house to see if there's anything that might make a good bubble wand, and then test it out. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create your very own bubbles. Now, let's take a look at some amazing book covers that our friends made as part of our last challenge.